So come with me as I venture through one of the most spectacular festivals that I have ever been to. And the fact that it is 100% free, that's right, free 99, it doesn't get any better. So if you're ever thinking about visiting Guadalajara, Mexico, I recommend that you come during the Guadalajara LUZ. That's right, the Guadalajara Festival of Lights takes place each and every year in February. And this was a pleasant surprise. I had no idea it was taking place, but I'm so glad that I was here and got to experience the real people and culture of Guadalajara. So, what is Guadalajara LUZ? Well, Guadalajara LUZ is the first thematic light festival in the world of Mexican culture. And with it, the people of Guadalajara celebrate every year the anniversary of their city with artistic and interactive attractions and major sponsors. This is big, y'all. There is a website for GDL LUZ as well as social media pages, including YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram if you want to get more information. But for now, just sit back and enjoy the beautiful sights that I was able to capture. It was a lot going on, a whole lot of people, but a whole lot of fun. Oh, and I'm Kim, aka Kim with the Gems, here at Black Culture Talks, where we cover all things wellness, travel, and finances from a cultural perspective. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and ask any questions that you may have in the comment section. Also, share in the comment section any festivals that you would recommend, both domestic and international. Enjoy the sights, the sounds, and the energy of Guadalajara, Mexico during their Festival of Lights. Festival took place over 6 days, and you can go onto their website for the full program. So I was walking through Central one day and saw this going up, had no idea what it was for. Isn't he amazing? Wow. Many of these sculptures, including this one, were made of recycled wood, and they were created and designed to reflect the beauty of Guadalajara as well as the traditions of the city. And here's the finished product, which was a major attraction here at the Festival of Lights. So many people lined up to take photos. Beautiful. Performances by the local co-ed mariachi band should not be missed. And there was a lot of money to be made.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión.
And of course, you could not have a lights festival celebrating the anniversary of Guadalajara without fireworks. And although it was a school night, the families were out in abundance. Oh, it was so crowded, but so beautiful. Everyone came in love and peace and just to have a good time. Once again, thank you for joining Black Culture Talks on this travel journey. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. And here's the transformation. This is Guadalajara Centro before the Festival of Lights. I also captured it in the day, so stay tuned, take a look, and see you on the next video. Adios.